Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you're a balloon artist and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services, you've definitely come to the right place today. So keep watching this video. So I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a simple website for your balloon artist service. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top and search for our market, balloon artist. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Excellent. Let's Mighty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, your city and your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Mighty Sites will automatically generate a simple website for your business and automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close it off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own amazing images of various parties and events you have attended. For your balloon artist skills, you want to showcase it on your website. Maybe you want to make 1 or 2 amendments to this content, perhaps make it a little bit more personalized to your very own business. You can absolutely do so. It's simple, super simple. You don't need to know any coding, be a web professional in any kind of way. And you certainly don't need to hire a professional to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's go ahead and click on the first section. Over here, we're going to put in our various contact details. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers. So let's go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Phone number, that is click to call. Physical location, maybe you are mobile. If you have a physical location, put it in over here. Once your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath update social links, put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your Mighty Sites website. Now, if you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. You can click on that little pencil to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller, resize it to fit into that section a bit better. If you'd like to change the colors used throughout your Mighty Sites website, you don't need to know color coding. Click on that paint bucket bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palette options available for you to use. There are so many to choose from. Awesome. Now, for each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized to your very own business, you just need to click on that update section button. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device and upload your own images or search through the photo library. We've got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram accounts if you have a profile and automatically pull in those photos. Now, underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons. You can change the text on the buttons and where they're linked to. You can even upload a PDF file. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads in your Mighty dashboard. Now, domains are super easy as well. If you have a custom domain, you can connect it by clicking on that button at the bottom, connect your domain. If you don't have a custom domain yet, you can actually purchase one by clicking on that button as well to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. I really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your balloon artist business, and I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.